Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install Scrapy inside virtual environment. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's begin. So in my case I will be using Venv because it's already pre-installed with Python. Then we need to name a folder where the virtual environment will be installed and press enter. Now you can see that this folder is already created. So now we need to activate this environment. So the easiest method is to use something like this, code and dot. So the Visual Studio will open the current folder and will automatically pick up the virtual environment. Now, it's not always working, so you can see that here we can select our Python. Now we can check which virtual environment or which Python current terminal is using. For example, we can see that is the correct one. So now we can install Scrapy just using pip. Now let's check if Scrapy is installed. So we can see that we don't have any errors and the Scrapy is installed in our virtual environment. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. And hopefully this video was useful for someone. Thank you for watching.